I am saying I don't want to see error if it is not able to find it.
Yes.
So here we will use a function. Anyone, which function we will use?
If
Ram
error.
Gopal is saying if error. Ram Gopal, you need to take one session.
My question is that I need that the MR sheet the NA column I need to remove this. Every time I need to write 0 on this column because this sheet according to this consumption procurement quantity is showing in this column O column. So every time I need to remove this NA, just selecting the NA and typing
First,
0.
understand why that NA is coming.
There is another sheet. This material code is not showing. Hence, this NA is coming.
But is it not there in that other sheet?
Yes, not there.
It's not there. So that means you just want to avoid these errors and the situation which it is showing that it is not available. That is correct, right?
Right.
Okay. So you just need to change your formula. Remove the filter. You can use Control Shift L.
Okay.
Okay. And come to the first cell.
Yes, sir.
Go to the formula bar. Go to the formula bar. After equal sign. No. Directly type in the formula bar as cancel. Okay. Go to the formula bar. And after equal sign, don't remove anything. Don't remove anything. After equal sign, no, don't remove, undo that. Press escape. Press escape.
Now,
Undo, Control Z.
yes, sir. Control Z.
I am
This
requesting,
is
please allow. Okay. So I will first undo whatever you have done. So that will bring me the formula. Or did you save it already? Undo. Undo one more time. Okay. Control Y. Okay. So this is the formula, right? Which you have written, current formula. I am saying I don't want to see error if it is not able to find it.
yes.
So here we will use a function. Anyone, which function we will use?
If
Ram
error.
Gopal is saying if error. Ram Gopal, you need to take one session. Ram Gopal says if error, and then continue with this formula, whatever you have written. To me, it looks correct.
Blank.
0.
So how if error works? That if
your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible to everyone?
Audible.
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 Okay. So if there is an error in this formula, then don't give me those errors. And after comma, I will type an alternate result. What do you want to see in case it is an error of Sambhaji?
0.
0. So type 0 here. So I'm saying if error, if there is an error in this VLOOKUP formula, then don't give me that error. Type 0. Use 0. And I'm closing this here and press enter. And now I will copy it in all the cells.
Okay.
Wherever error was coming, rather than showing error, it is giving you 0. So this is the simple tweak which you need to do in your VLOOKUP formula.